Hello and welcome back to the Blue Island Public Library. My name is Miss Johnson and I work here in the Children's Department. I'm going to show you a summertime craft that we will be handing out as a actual craft kit, which is right here, for the kids for summer. I'm going to post this video online of how to do this, and then I will post it to our calendar of the date that you can actually pick it up. Don't quote me on that, but we're going to have some fun with it. Now, for this craft, it's a refrigerator magnet craft. Here, I have for each craft in each kit the instructions, the ceramic tile that you will be coloring, the magnet that you're going to be using to adhere the tile to the refrigerator or whatever metal subject appliance you have in your home. These are some googly eyes. I'm using some self stick on, but I do have some other eyes in other craft kits that is for the refrigerator magnets that move. Okay, and I have a feather for decoration. And this little piece of paper is once you finish your craft, parents, we're asking that you help your kid take a photo of the item that they have created and send us a picture to our Blue Island Public BlueIslandLibrary.org page, and just send it to us so we can add it to our social media. The website that you need to send it to is info@BlueIslandLibrary.org. Okay? With that, we're going to get started. Today I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. You can either use paint for this or you can use markers. I tend to work very well with markers. They are a little easier for me and I get more creative with it. So I'm using some metallic markers. I'm also using some washable markers, and because I didn't have any red, I'm going to use some red markers that I had from my desk. Okay, this is a quick craft, and we're just going to focus right in on the craft, shall we? I'm going to start. Oh, I also have some glue here just in case I need to glue something down a part of this craft really good. I have tacky glue. And you can use any glue that you have around in your house. All right. So, with that being said, let's get to work. You can color this item any way you like. You can draw any way you feel you want to draw it. I'm just going to do some down the side kind of coloring on one side. Do some light strokes. And this is a metallic green that I'm using, but it's turning out to be grayish. So, on top of that, I'm going to use a green for my washable markers. To get the color that I desire. A little bit better. to deepen the color with a darker green. Just around the edges a little bit. Alrighty. Now I'm going to move over to the other side, and I'm going to go in with 2 shades of red. And the reason why I chose to use markers is because they dry quicker, and I'm a sloppy painter, so I like to use markers. And sometimes I'm able to, when I get paint on my hands, it's really hard for me to get it off sometimes. That's why markers is not that hard, or not as hard to get off as paint. And markers tend to dry quicker. Okay. Now, to deepen the color just a little bit, let's see. Just a little bit. I like to blend my colors because, using one color is okay, but when you mix colors, you get something a little bit more dynamic, and yeah, that's what I like to do. Now I'm going to add the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to place an eye over here, and I'm going to place an eye over here, somewhat in the center. They're not completely symmetrical, but hey, it works. Okay, now I'm going to first put on the magnet. It's self-adhesive, so all you have to do is peel off the back and position the magnet. And what I think I'm going to do, in order for me to not use any glue, is I'm going to take the point of the magnet and stick it right in between the adhesive of the magnet and the tile, so it's stuck in there, and then voila, this is the craft. It's quick, it's cute, and I like it. Again, you'll find these crafts here at the library as a craft kit. Check our website for when they will be available. And thanks for watching. Have a good day.